Hey guys, it's Jason, and in this video I'll be checking out how much does the YouTube channel DIY Perks actually make. But before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I release daily videos on how much some of the top YouTube channels are making and also how you can start making money online. DIY Perks, if you don't know, is a very good channel to watch if you're interested in fixing up some of the old stuff that some of the old technology stuff that you have around the house, and he also shows you some cool tricks. But before we get into how much he's earning, let's check out some stats. So far he has uploaded 83 videos and he has amassed a subscriber count of 1.82 million, and his video views so far is 130 million and 96,916. And his channel was created back in February 8, 2012. And to get an idea of how much he's earning, we'll be using the Social Blade YouTube money calculator, and we'll be estimating that his CPM is $5. By the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views, and this is the amount of money a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, and also if the viewer actually ends up clicking on the ad. So with a CPM of $5 and his daily view count of 214,000, he'll be earning $1,070 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%. So to get a better estimate of how much he's earning, we'll be calculating it. So he'll actually be earning $588 per day, and for the month that would work out to $17,655.